Kids, we're gonna do some Mission Impossible with your moms.
Woo! Finding her scarf! Her missing
Kasi
scarf!
her missing scarf is gone. We noticed when we were eating, going before, when we got lost going to Takashimaya, her scarf was still there. Then nawala. Buti na lang we vlog everything. Tonto. Paano yung Mission Impossible?
Hindi ko ito.
Kanta? Hoy, matulog ka na. Pag kami nakabalik, di ka patulog. Papaluin ka na namin, ha? Let's go! Naalala ko na yung kanta. Tananang, 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 tan, 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 tananang. Nakasuot pa niya yung bagong Uniqlo niya.
Kitang-kita mo
Let's go, bro. Kasama ko yung pasaway na to. Kasama ko, mag-Google Maps tayo so we can remember how we went back and forth. Yo! Guys, dito na kami. Sana it's still here. So we need to check the sides, ha? If in case wala namang magnanakaw sa Japan. Let's go, moms! Sana hindi niligpit kasi pag niligpit yan ng mga ditong mga stores, wala. Sana nawala lang dito sa big street. Anyway, we'll see. Ito na, we are recovering the tracks. Sana nandito lang. Okay, let's check.